Have you ever wondered how much YouTube pays Faceless channel, like Faceless video? Guys, when I tell you that these people are making money, before now, I used to think that the only niche that actually make money here on YouTube is maybe my growth niche, that is tutorial kind of niche, or maybe niche that talk about health, or maybe the ones that talk about money. You won't believe how much YouTube faceless niche abi faceless channels are making. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid this my student for 1,000 views on his faceless channel for a video that is very, very short. Like, guys, when I mean a video that is lower than 4 minutes, that is 3 minutes plus, you all won't believe how much this faceless channel is making. And also, there are two things that contribute to his high earning. Like, this person literally got monetized last week, and you all won't believe how much in total this channel has made. Me sef, I'm surprised. I think I should be giving creating a faceless channel a chance, though I know it's really, really hard. It's not easy to actually own a faceless channel. But bro, there is money. Hey God, there's money in YouTube faceless niche. So actually, two things contribute to his earning. So if you are a faceless channel out there, or you are maybe thinking of opening a faceless channel, you have to pay attention. Oh, when I say optimize your videos, people will not understand. Optimization is really, really working. So first of all, I'm just going to go straight to the point to show you guys how much he actually made from this video. Then I'm going to be giving you these two tips. This is two secrets of being able to make this money, targeting the right audience. So do yourself a favor by making sure you don't skip any part of this video, any part at all, because who knows, you might decide to maybe open a faceless channel tomorrow. So these tips are really, really going to help you, and you're going to earn money, like money, ego. All right, guys. So right now, I'm going to be taking you all to his YouTube Studio desktop version, so that I can be able to show you guys and display it on the screen here how much he make for a very short video. So guys, this is the video here. As you can see from the screen, this video is just 4 minutes 7 seconds, though maybe some other times I'll come and share with you all how much a 3 minutes video also make for him on this channel. Guys, it's mind-blowing. So what we're going to be doing now is, let me take you guys through to the information of the video. So from the screen here, you can see that this video has gotten views of 1.1k views, and you can see the click-through rate and the average view duration. So let's just swipe over to the next part, which is the overview. And from the overview here, this video has generated 1,156 views, and this is how viewers found this video from YouTube recommendation. That is why I say, as a YouTuber, any niche, you have to learn how to optimize your video. This is one of my students that I actually taught all this thing from scratch. So he literally understands what it means to optimize your video. Any niche at all you're focused on, learn how to optimize your video. It actually helps, so don't worry, we still see more. So now, this is how viewers find the video. Most of the views are coming from YouTube recommendation. That is, YouTube by itself, they are the one pushing the video back to back. So now let's go over to the reach side. And for the video impression, this video has gotten a total impression of 10.9k. That is also mind-blowing. That means the video is performing really, really well. And this is how viewers find this video: from browse features, suggested video. This browse feature simply means if they go over to YouTube search bar to search for this particular kind of topic, his video is going to pop up. Learn how to optimize your videos, okay? And these are from the suggested video, notification, and the rest of them. Now, I want you all to pay attention to this particular thing that I want to show you guys right now, which is YouTube search terms. What people are actually searching for that made them found this video. And number one is bedtime prayer. Number two is prayer before bed. And the third one is blood of Jesus prayer. See, as a YouTuber, you have to learn how to make use of the right SEO keyword in your video. If your video is not properly optimized, you're going to be missing a whole lot. So you need to learn how to properly optimize your video so that they can come out on search results. As you can see from the screen here, these are what people are searching for. that actually brought them to his channel. So now the next part that we're going to be moving over to, which is the most important part, you have to pay attention also, is the audience. That is, let us know the audience of this video, where they're mostly coming from. And from the age here, you can see that majority of the people watching him is 65 plus. That is 65-year plus. And you know, on this YouTube Twitter, the older the people that watch you, the higher you earn here. Yes. So 65 plus people are actually watching it. That is people that are advanced. That is beautiful. So now let's go over to the gender side. Nothing much. Male and female. Female is higher. Now let's go over to the main. The main source of this money now is Top Geographic. Like this particular thing, if care is not taken, if maybe country with low CPM are the one watching your videos and you're getting high views, you will make a lot of money. So that is why you have to try your best to target this beautiful audience or this beautiful location that the CPM is very high. Don't worry, I'm still going to be telling you how he was able to target this audience. That is why I say you have to try your best to stick to, so that you will grab some of all these things and go and start applying it on your Faceless channel, even on your non-Faceless channel, your normal channel. Now apply these tips and you're going to get same results. Okay, so without much being said, let's go over to the main deal of the day, which is revenue aspect, because I know that is what you all have been waiting for. And tada, imagine a video of 1.1k views has generated $4.19. That is a video that is not even up to 8 minutes on my channel. I could remember there was a time I did 7 minutes video. This video performed really well. The view duration was very high. How much YouTube paid me per 1,000 view was $2. And imagine a video that is just only 4 minutes. He still have another video that is 3 minutes plus, and that video fetched him $4 per 1,000 views. Though that video is not yet up to 1,000, that's why I didn't make use of it. So that is to tell you that this prayer niche, this Bible Faceless prayer niche, there is money. People are actually making money. So now let's go over to how the money is made, which is how much YouTube paid him per 1,000 views. As of when last I checked this thing, which was yesterday, it was actually $4.01. But you know, one thing about YouTube is, maybe if you upload a video and the view is not going up, that is, the view is not adding up, YouTube is going to reduce the revenues more. But if all of a sudden that video picks up again, YouTube is still going to increase the revenue. I experienced it on my most viral video. There was a time that my most viral video, YouTube reduced the how much they pay me for 1,000 view to as low as $4. But currently it's $7 now. So this is to tell you that this is much. This is much. This is literally higher than most of my videos you guys are seeing on my channel. It's way higher. Even my videos that are even as long as 19 minutes, they cannot even make up to this. Like, I'm still surprised. These people are making money. They're making money. So have you seen that this Faceless niche actually pay? So this is to encourage you out there. Now maybe you've been trying to do Faceless niche and you're wondering, is it paying? Is it not paying? Auntie, sister, brother, is paying. Is paying. This is not maybe I'm copying it from somewhere. This is a close student of mine, and this is how much he's making already from this Faceless niche. So this is the time for you to actually give it a try. And from the screen here, you can see earning by ad types. This is how he earned his money: skippable ads and display ads. So guys, is it worth it? Drop it in the comment section. Yes, from the reports I've gotten from some of my students that do Faceless channel, Faceless niche, they keep saying that it's really hard. Yes, I think this pay is actually worth it, because you all don't know what it takes to actually bring up a Bible, that is a prayer video. It's very difficult to. Don't worry, those of you that do Faceless niche should actually relate well with me in the comment section. Am I lying? It's really difficult, but this pay is really worth it. So now back to what I said. I said I was going to be sharing with you two things that actually helped him earn this amount. The first thing first is the location, that is the audience of his viewer. That is one. Then number two is what I call strictly optimization, that is optimizing your video. And I don't really mean, maybe I don't only mean you going ahead to optimize your title, use the best hashtag, the best keyword. There is what we call something trending in your niche. If you guys can go through this his channel, you discover that he literally used the same DP, and he has used up to like close to 10 videos on his channel are having the same title. And when I was having a conversation with him, I was asking him why are you doing this? So he was like, there is a particular channel that he watch a lot. That channel is a big channel, and this channel actually like have a lot of videos with same title, and the videos are performing well. And also he sees other channels doing the same thing, so he decided to apply it on his channel, and the results came out really really good. That is to tell you that any niche at all you are, sometimes there is a thing trending, and it was from this particular idea that he got his viral video that is over 125,000 views currently as of when making this video. So you have to always try your best to be at alert. Sometimes when you want to create a video, go and check people that is doing it in your niche. Check out smaller audience that are posting that kind of video and they are doing well. If possible, create exactly the same thumbnail. I'm not saying you should go and steal somebody's thumbnail. Oh. You can steal it and still maybe add like two or even one single edit and make it your own version. So you have to try your best to understand this little trick and start using it on your video. And another thing that also helped him a lot is consistency. And for every video you watch on his channel, he takes his time. Like he puts his time to editing it to make sure he used the best sound, because it's a faceless channel and even all the sounds are all faceless. I mean, is that the right English? Everything about the channel is faceless. So he takes his time like to like come up with all this good video. So you have to check out for what you're doing right and what you're not doing right. If you have a faceless channel, and try to put them to places. Watch other bigger channels in your niche. Watch other smaller channels. Try to there must surely be something that is in common. Because if you check this particular title that he has used for close to 10 of his video, I have been recently seeing it on most of all these prayer niche channel. That is, they are what people are searching for. And from the screenshot I displayed earlier on, you discover that most of them his viewers are coming from what people are searching for in YouTube search bar. Have you seen where this optimization comes in? You have to always present out a video that people are searching for. No, it will be like you have a product that you want to sell and people are the one looking for you. There are some businesses that you just open and you be the one looking for customers up and down. But this one, you just drop a video and views are coming from maybe Google and from YouTube search bar. So you have to try your best to make sure you put all these things to places, and hopefully your faceless channel is going to peak. Any niche at all you are, just try to apply these things that I just shared with you right now in today's video. So this video is already getting too long. If there is any other niche that you want me to make a video on how much to pay them, kindly drop it in the comment section and maybe I'll be doing a video on that next. So if you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you've not liked it, and drop in your comments. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.